the next question, number 10. It says that for a periodic square wave, which one of the following statements is true? So let me read out the options as well. Now, option A says that the Fourier series coefficients do not exist. B, the Fourier series coefficients exist, but the reconstruction converges at no point. Option C says that the Fourier series coefficients exist and the reconstruction converges at most points. And option D says that the Fourier series coefficients exist and the reconstruction converges at every point. So the first thing is that for a periodic square wave, the Fourier series coefficients do exist. So that is the first point. For a periodic square wave, the coefficients do exist. Now the coefficients are written in terms of Ck, usually. So for a periodic square wave, what happens is that the values of the coefficients, they keep decreasing as the k value increases. So this further implies that at some value of k, the coefficient becomes 0. So when that happens, it implies that the reconstruction does take place and the reconstruction converges not at no point or at every point, but it converges at most points. So here the key is the variation of the coefficients as the value of k changes. So you will have to note that when the value of k increases, the coefficient Ck decreases. So that means that at some point it does become 0. So when that happens, it converges at most points. So for this question, for a periodic square wave, the Fourier series coefficients do exist and the reconstruction converges at most points. So here the right option is option